Hello everybody, Ben Dittmar here again. Today is February 10th, 2020. Anyway, this is motor number 3 for today. So here's a 1957 7.5 horse Johnson. I probably picked this one up a few years ago. Anyway, went through it, gave it a big service here today. Resealed the gear case, new water pump impeller. It had a broken swivel tube in it too, so I had to replace the swivel tube, replace the whole assembly. It was quicker and easier. New points and condensers, coils, plug wires, plugs, carb rebuild with a kit, fuel hoses, power head base gasket, lower crank seals, all the usual. Anyway, we're giving it a run, and it seems to be pretty decent. Here. Choked down its own fumes a little bit. It is running at a 16-to-1 mix. Okay, that'll do it for this one. Thank you for watching. Talk to you next time. Bye.